Happy video day, guys. So for today's video, we're going to be doing my BOXYCHARM unboxing of May 2019. I already have all the products on my face right now, and spoiler alert, this box is amazing. And you guys know that I tell you guys how it is when it comes to BOXYCHARM. If I don't like the products, I'm like, this box was so good that I am shocked, and I think they're really making up for last month because I was not a fan of last month at all. So let's jump into May 2019's BOXYCHARM. This month I did try on every single one of the makeup items for you guys. So as I show you the items, I'm also going to talk to you guys about how they worked. So this month we're going to be doing it a little bit different. Let me know below if you guys like this style better or what you guys think. We're going to just go with it. So anyways, if you guys are new here, quick introduction, I'm Christina Brooke. This is the GLAMRANCH, and if you guys like the channel, hit the subscribe button so you guys find me again. So let's jump into the box. First item that we got in this box is this product right here. So this is from Glam Glow. This is the only product that I did not try on because it's actually a facial cleanser. I'll probably use it after I'm done with the video, or I'll use it another day, but I do know Glam Glow is a fantastic brand. This is a really cool product to have in here. I'm going to quickly read to you what it says. So this is from Glam Glow. It's the Gentle Bubble Cleanser. It says that it's a gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses the skin and dissolves makeup. It retails for $28 US. And guys, Glam Glow is very known. A lot of people love this brand, and I am so excited. I don't think that I've ever seen them in the box. I could be wrong about that, or I have never gotten them in my box. So this is really cool. This is an awesome product. I can't wait to try this. I definitely am going to try this. Like, I'm gonna try this for sure. But yeah, this looks really, really cool. So the box already started off really, really good in my opinion. I was super excited when I saw that product, but then we jumped into the next one, guys, and I was head over heels excited that I got this one. There was a variation that you would have gotten, the Milk Makeup Blurring Primer, but I wanted the Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio, and I got it. I was so excited to see that I got this. I almost purchased one of these, and then I said, I don't know, I just didn't buy it. But I wanted to buy it and I didn't, and I'm so happy that this came in my box. So this is from Alamar Cosmetics. It's the Colorete Blush Trio. It says, get your blush on with your new Alamar Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio. Formulated to glide effortless over your cheeks, this buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without damage of the rays. So it retails for $22 US, and I do have it on today. I'm going to tell you guys, when applying this is so silky, creamy, nice. I can tell that this formula is really, really, really good. I did want to use all the colors. However, because I knew the color of my lip was going to be so bright, I didn't know how much these peaches were going to match too much with the lip color. So I tried to focus mostly on like the rosy tone. I did grab a little bit of this one as well, but I focused mostly on the rosy tone. It is so beautiful. I love the way it applied. It's very pigmented, very smooth. This one right here has no shimmer or glimmer to it. This one here has a little bit of more glimmer, and so does this one. So these two are a little bit more sheeny, and this one is basically matte. I love it though. I did put a little bit of this one on top of this one, and I like the way they layered. I think it gives a beautiful pigment. I love the final look, and I can't wait to have more of a dolled out lip so I can add some more blush and maybe play with the peach colors more, because I think this is going to be a fantastic palette. The quality is really good, and this was exciting. So the next product that I got in the box was this one. I actually didn't even know that people were getting this one in the box. This is a Mellow Brow Definer. So this is an eyebrow pencil from the brand Mellow. I've never heard of the brand Mellow before, but it says that it's a non-greasy, easy glide formula in your new Mellow Cosmetics Brow Definer Brow Pencil. Is about to revolutionize the brow game. So it retails for $18 US. I like this product. To be honest, when I was applying it to my brows, I said, wow, this is a very good color match to me. And besides it being a very good color match, it was applying really evenly, and I liked the way that it was going on. So I was actually pretty excited about that. I didn't think that I was going to like this product as much as I did. Now, there is one drawback with it. It's a little bit on the waxy side for me. I'm used to my Anastasia Brow Wiz, which works more like a pencil, and it's very, very thin. So in the front, I could really, really get those little hairs better. This one is a little bit thicker, so it does cover bigger ground, but at the same time, it's a little bit harder for me to work with because I'm not used to it. But at the same time, I like the way that it made my brows look. I think it did a really good job. It's a little bit more waxy of a formula than my Brow Wiz is, so that's a little bit of a difference for me. But I will say, overall, I think it did a good job. I like the way my brows look. Now it's just gonna be, are they gonna stay in place? Are they gonna move around? But so far, so good. And the color match was very spot on, so I like this product. It was decent. Then the next product that I got in here was another cool product. So this is from Ciate London, and this is the Eye Lustre Cream Eyeshadow. So it does say that it will help you create a long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic glittering liquid shadow can be swept on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over an eyeshadow as a topper. Retails for $22 US. I'm gonna tell you guys, I did apply this over an eyeshadow today because when I did swatch it, I noticed that it was a little bit on the thick side, but when it dried out on my hands, I felt like it was a little bit crumbly, I don't know, on my hands. So I said, I don't know how this I would like as a complete eyeshadow. So what I did is I went ahead and I put on a base color from Huda Beauty, and then after I put on my base color, I just basically tapped over my eyeshadow with this to kind of give it like that sparkly effect that you guys can see. I have like sparkles on my eyes. So all I did was kind of like tap over it to give me that effect. Now I will tell you guys, this is a decent product. It worked really nice. I like the glimmer that it gave me. When I went to go add a little bit more on top of the shadow that I already had on, I started to notice a little bit of a problem. It doesn't layer very good. Felt like I started picking up some of the glitter underneath when I was putting another layer on. So I think this is one of those products that you just put one time on and you just add a little bit of glitter to your eyes, and that's about it. You kind of stop there. I personally do not think that this is going to work as an eyeshadow just on its own because of the fact that I saw it get crumbly on my hand. But then again, I didn't use it that way because I figured the safe way to use it would be over an eyeshadow because I figured that's the way it would work the best. So you guys have to let me know below if you guys got this product. Do you think that this works good as an eyeshadow alone? I believe it's not going to. It looks amazing in the case. So like this color is so cool and it looks amazing in the case. It does look pretty on the eyes and it definitely works better as a topper in my opinion, and I do like it because my eyelids look super pretty right now, and it's definitely that as the topper, so I really like it. And as you guys can see, we've already gotten 4 products, and there are 4 really good products that I am super shocked with. But then we have one more to go. We got this product from Dose of Colors, and I was like, oh my gosh, like did I seriously just get a Dose of Colors liquid lip? And I did. I'm so excited about this. This is the Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick. So it does say that it has a velvety high fashion matte finish with envelopes lips in rich long wearing color, and it retails for $18 US. And I got a really cool color. It's the color I have on my lips right now. I'm going to show you guys me applying it, and this is a cool color. It's kind of like a red. It's called Kiss of Fire, but when you apply it, almost has like a magenta-y kind of tone to it, so it's in between red and magenta. I wouldn't call this like a true red because it's really not. Now I think that this is going to be a mission and a half to take off my lips. I think this is going to be so hard to come off. I may have pink lips for 3 days. No, for sure the whole night tonight, because this is going to be difficult to take off. But the color is beautiful, and the way it applied was really nice too. Kind of has a very silky formula to it when you're applying it. It was very easy to apply. This is a super dark color. I could have gotten it like pretty messy everywhere, and I feel like it applied really smooth. I had a really easy time applying this, and it really is very opaque. So as I was putting it on, it wasn't like I needed to use more and more color to get it to be this vamped up. But like I said, it does have more of a magenta-y kind of undertone than like a dark red. It's a cool color. It's definitely different. I don't have anything this color in my collection. I have very vampy reds, but I don't have vampy reds that have like a pinker undertone to them, and I like this lip. I think it's really pretty. I've had this formula on for at least an hour already. It doesn't feel drying on my lips. Like if I look in the mirror, I don't feel like, since this is a matte lip, that my lips look like dried out or anything. I feel like my lips actually look pretty damn decent. So I actually really honestly think that this might be a really good formula. I'm super shocked that this was in my BoxyCharm. I'm obsessing right now. And yeah, guys, that is the 5 products that I got in my box, and they were all really good. If I were to have to say what were the worst products in here, and I say that lightly because I really do like this box and I think all the products were pretty damn good, but like the ones that were the least impressive would have to be the brow definer and this eyeshadow topper. But like I said, I like them. They worked really, really good. And in my opinion, the one that was the most, oh, wow. I mean, I can't, to be honest, I don't even know which one would be the most impressive to me. I think all 3 of these look like they're going to be great. I haven't tried this one, so I can't really speak for them. But between these 2 products, I think they both applied really, really good. I would say that the dose of colors was just super shocking to me that was in here, but this product is super pigmented, so I love this box. I think it's fantastic. So this box costs us $21 a month, and the total value of this month's box was $108. Totally think that this month was spot on. And that's the thing with BOXYCHARM that I've noticed is like sometimes you can have those months that the box isn't like fantastic, but then when you get like a really good box, you get like really good products. So like I've said before, guys, I still enjoy my BOXYCHARM. I love it when I get like a bunch of products that super, super excite me, and I think this month really got me excited again. So if you guys want to sign up to BOXYCHARM, like always, I will have a link in the description box. It is not an affiliate link or anything like that, but it is a link that you guys can sign up to BOXYCHARM. Like I said, it's $21 a month, and you guys get 4 to 5. Lately, it's been like 5 full-size products, and it's mostly makeup type of stuff. Boxy Luxe is also the upgrade that we're going to be getting next month, and of course I do get Boxy Luxe, and Boxy Luxe gives you a lot more products, and I have been super happy with Boxy Luxe too. So guys, I'm really happy with this month's box. I think it was a total win. I want to know below from you guys, what did you guys get in your box? Did you guys like your box? Because I am super happy. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, if you guys did, don't forget to leave me your comments below. Give me those thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.